We just don't hype tools. We know for a decade what actually performs behind the chair. Quality over quantity. Got the Saber cordless trimmer. It runs a digital brushless motor pushing around 75 to 100 RPM. It's powerful yet still quiet and smooth in the hand. It comes equipped with a DLC black diamond blade that's fully zero gap adjustable, and it doubles as a blade guard. Skeleton design gives you full visibility of the blade so you can see what exactly you are cutting. I'm gonna show you how to zero gap these. You need a Phillips screwdriver, usually it comes in the box. You go ahead and remove those two screws. You notice those two prongs on the right? Okay, now we gotta loosen these two screws. You gotta be careful, you do not want to remove those. If you do, it's not a big deal, just try not to remove them. You want to go ahead and loosen them up a little bit. And you notice how the blade moves up and down, left and right. It just loosens it, makes it easier to adjust. The zero gap setter. This doubles as a blade guard in itself. Stylecraft has his way of just perfecting the clipper. So you want to go ahead and you slide the blade into the guard.
What's great about these newer clippers is that they keep on innovating. Something as small as a guard is used as a zero gap fitter. Makes it more easier to put on, more convenient. And if you've been cutting as long as we have, this really helps. Also, once it's on there, you want to slide it right and left and press the inner blade towards the top. You want to go ahead and start tightening the screws. And with these, you don't want to over tighten them. You can strip it or some cases break it. And once it's tightened, you want to go ahead and remove the guard. What I like to do is I like to put it against the light, making sure that the inner blade is not overlapping the outer blade. And the reason is because I see a lot of haircuts a lot of the times where it leaves a mark, it leaves a cut, and it ruins the haircut overall. You don't want to do that to your client or your customer. To put them back in there, make sure those two prongs that I mentioned earlier, it's on there. There's two ridges inside. And the way you know it's in there, you press it and it has like a little spring. So once that's aligned, you go ahead and put those two screws back in there. You notice how it doesn't have the spring anymore. And again, I like to put it against the light just to make sure it's on there. Everything's secure, lined up, ready to go. And I didn't forget the battery life. The battery life, it's up to 4 hours and it gives you a full charge within 90 minutes. Overall, this is a precise trimmer we actually reach for detailed work and everything else.